Blessed. Yeah, man. Yeah, the mix up. So today we're gonna talk about how to take yourself away, from everything. How to advance yourself and look at things on a different level, different perspective, on a higher level. Because being here in this environment on a lower vibration, it's not gonna work. So we have to curve ourselves and start to look at the bigger picture. To know that we are having experience here and we are from a higher level. So you have to gather yourself together and know whatever seed you're sowing, that's what you're going to reap. So, meaning, if you're behaving upon the negative side, the dark side, that's what your world will be. Which I don't advise no one. Because over there, sir, is no good for no one. So you have to steer yourself and curve yourself positively. So the positive now is where you enlighten yourself, you're in the light. The more you feed from positive is the more you become bright and brighter, shining bright and brighter. And your life come to a part where it evaluate and know that you passed many exams by just doing this. See the teaching that they give us in schools and all of these things. They don't give us the teaching. Because if they give us this teaching, which is the right way, all of us would have a better understanding in life, and life would be so much more joyful in one. Because they separate us. So we have to come back together as one. So you just have to, when you take yourself away from this drama, you have to spend time with yourself. And when I mean spend time with yourself, you don't need no TV, you don't need to play a game, whatever you do. Just be natural, peaceful within yourself. If you want to listen to some calm little, relaxed, inspirational music, yeah, that's fine. But you want to keep yourself where no disturbance and peace with yourself. And then you will find the joy, the happiness, and you escape out of this illusion. You understand? Yeah, man. Yeah, the mix up and thing again. You see what I say? Blessed and have a blessed day.